Polygonians, what's good? What's good? Ethereum pumps to the moon. Matic, Ethereum chilling out. Matic, saddle up your horses. We got a trail to blaze. Incredible, guys. Yesterday, Matic was at $1.47. Little refresh here. $1.63. Let's go. Finally, we're seeing that volume for Matic. I had so many commenters over the last few weeks. Matic is garbage, shit coin, worst coin in the entire market. Well, maybe it's just you who's the worst, because the true Polygonians are celebrating in the streets, guys. We're sitting at $1.63. We're up basically 10% on the day. We're sitting in a market cap of 10.66 million. 24-hour volume is 1.55 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, grab one of their incredible Visa cards, and receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 1 hour time frame. Look at that juicy volume. Absolutely incredible, guys. We had that inverse head and shoulders. We absolutely smashed through that target at $1.54. We broke through a major resistance at $1.55, and there's a much larger pattern that we're starting to break the neckline. I'm gonna pop it over into the 4 hour time frame and just zoom it out. So the much larger pattern is an inverse head and shoulders, or a cup and a handle. This is your neckline. This can actually be moved up just a tad here. So we're just starting to break the neckline, and this is your target from this bullish reversal pattern all the way up here at about 271, guys. So do keep an eye on that. We're just coming up to test that neckline. We'll give it a little price target here at about $1.65. If we take our Fibonacci from our all-time high down to our swing low here, you can see that we're currently above the golden ratio. I'm gonna open it up on a different chart just so it's more pretty for you guys. Hold on just a sec here. Okay, perfect. So here it is. We're breaking above the golden ratio, which is a beautiful sign, guys. If we can hold this as support, we might see Matic roll over a little bit. If we consolidate and backtest it as support, that's a beautiful signal, guys. If I pop it over to the daily, that we're gonna go up and test our all-time high, which is all the way up at about $2.70, and then your next price target is the 1.272 at 404, and we have our future price target at the 1.618, which is at 676 for Matic. So let's hop back into the 4 hour time frame here. Hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are as excited as I am for this juicy Matic breakout. So we're gonna pop over to the 4 hour time frame. Just gonna open it up here. All right, guys, so we're here on the 4 hour, and I've taken my Fibonacci from our previous swing high down to our swing low to give us our short terms levels of support and resistance. All right, so we have $1.56, which is at the 1.618, which also lines up with the support in this area right here. So that may be where we roll back to find support. Or of course, we have the golden ratio at about $1.55 for Matic. Now, if we see Matic continue here, Ethereum is still kind of sleeping, not much movement for Ethereum. So I would expect Matic to come back and find support. But if we were to continue to pump here, your next level of resistance is here at $1.70. And then you have the 2.618, which is up at about $1.73. And if we look back here on the daily, that $1.55 was such a major level of resistance. See the resistance here, see all the support in this area, as well as the golden ratio. So this is extremely bullish, guys. What we want to see is that we backtest it at support. We hold that level of support. That shows extreme strength for Matic, that we're going to see continuation on this bull run and set new juicy all-time highs that all of us true Polygonians believed would come to fruition. All right, guys. So in the short term, do keep an eye on $1.59. I'm going to drop in the golden ratio as well here. It's right about that $1.55 level, which is also the 1.272. So those are your levels of support. We need to hold that support, which show extreme strength for Matic if we hold those levels of support. And your next price targets here are your previous swing high right here at about $1.70. You have the 2.618, which is at $1.73. And then we have the 0.786, which is all the way up at $2. If we take a quick look at Ethereum, you can see we're still consolidating. We haven't seen another pump, but Matic did decide to take off here. We are in a bit of a symmetrical triangle here. We are seeing some bearish divergences. You can see here we created a high, we created a higher high, and we have a lower high on the 1 hour RSI, as well as the 4 hour RSI. You can see we have a bearish divergence as well. So these can take time to play out, but that is something to keep an eye on. We do have our all-time high at 4357. If we break out of our symmetrical triangle here. It could also be a little bit of a bull pennant. Would take you up to about 4,000. And if you break down, would take you back down to your level of support at about 3,777. So keep an eye on that as well. And the golden ratio, which is also the 1.272 at $1.55. All right, guys, your next price targets for Matic, $1.70, $1.73. Then you have the 0.786 at $2. Guys, quick shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting breakouts, posting when they're entering, exiting, setting their stop losses. Great way to stay ahead of the game in crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon price of a coffee. Sign up to Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading. Receive up to $1,600 in bonuses. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.